Hey there, how are you doing today? Welcome to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, we'll be showing how the character can parry. Before we get started, I really want to thank you for supporting me throughout this journey. This is one of I'm sorry I'm not able to post a lot these days because I have a full-time job as well and I'm also kind of struggling with work and everything, but I'll try to be consistent. I'm also trying to work on a very beautiful 10-hour YouTube series where I'm going to show how to make a proper game pipeline. So I'm currently learning as well. And this tutorial kind of helps me to learn as well. So if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe, and that would really change my life. Let's get started. Thank you.
Let's get started in today's tutorial where we are gonna kind of see how to do a parry attack, where we are gonna create a small time window where if we are able to successfully block, it's gonna do the parry animation for the NPC. So yeah, to do that, we can first start with, we have to create a gameplay effect. We can go here, and gameplay effect. Under gameplay effect, we are gonna create a new gameplay effect. We will name this GE underscore parry. Yeah. So now let's create a new component where our component is gonna be grant handle. Yes, handle granting tags sometime as an owner. Yeah, this is the one. And here we are gonna add a tag. We are gonna create a new subtag under the ability. We will name this PARRY. Make sure the source is default gameplay tag INI and add the tag. And we select that. For the duration policy, let's put this as duration. And we are gonna give, just for the sake of debugging, we'll just give it 1 second, but best times are 0.4 to 0.6. It's up to you guys. Now we compile and save it. We head to our character blueprint. Now we go to our character blueprints. Where is it? I think here is where we get the block. Yes, here is the block in. Now we're gonna go and get the ability system component. We are gonna apply gameplay effect to self. Apply gameplay effect to self, and we are gonna get our, now here where we are gonna choose our GE parry. Now the next thing, now we have added this gameplay effect. Now when do we expect this to happen? When the character is registering a hit. So now we go to our GA hit reaction, and here is where we are going to dictate the logic. Now we are going to go to a part where the character is registering the hit reaction. Now, as you can see here, the character is, we need to kind of get whether the character can parry or not. So let's get the ability system component. Get ability system component, and we'll get has any matching gameplay tag, and has tag we will get literal name, make literal gameplay tag container. So let's just arrange this. So what we are trying to get here is this gameplay effect. Where is it? The gameplay effect where we have our ability of a parry. So that's what we are calling it here. And we can add a branch where we are going to create a condition where it can only parry if it's false. So if this is true, do your thing. No, I'm sorry. If it is false, perform this. If it's true, here is where we need to perform our, parry system. So to show this, we need to create a separate ability where I kind of want to show the parry reaction. So for that, let's create a new gameplay ability. Uh, let's this game. We can use the parent GA Amar, and we can name this GA underscore Parry attack. Uh, so now let's add a play anim montage. No, play montage and wait. We need this as a function format. I do have an animation. Let me have a look. I think it's here. It's a block attack. Of it is. Yes, it's this one. So yeah, it's not a parry animation, but it works for now. Oh, we need to make this into a montage. Sorry, create any montage. So now we can do that. Yeah. So for this, let's have a delay for about. I'll give it a second. And then B and ability. So also before anything, let's also apply a gameplay effect. APP over apply apply gameplay effect spec to owner. No, this. So now we need to create a system where we are trying to stun the enemy. So if you're gonna get avatar actor from actor info, we are gonna get ability system components, and we are gonna apply gameplay effect to self. Now let's get this stunt heavy gameplay effect stunt heavy. That's the one we kind of made it for ourselves. Wait, it's that one, yeah? Yes. So we need to activate that, right? So we'll go to our class settings, and we are going to put this under the ability of parry, and under block tag. So we need to, under block tag, we need to make sure under character the state is dead. That is where only it's gonna, once proper dead. So now we need to put this in our sandbox character. So under default abilities, we are also going to add another ability. It's going to be parry react. Not parry react, parry attack. Now we need to go to our GA hit react sword lights. So here is where we are registering all the event data. So from there we can, from the instigator, we can get ability system component and get try activate ability by tag. Then here is where we are going to get true. We are going to make literal gameplay tag container. Parry. We have to get the Ability.Parry, and we bind this to this. So here is where everything, the logic is. So come on, see, it's staggering. Have you seen? Let me try again. See, it's kind of working. So that's the one. And now if you want to add particle effect, I know the animation doesn't look good, but yeah, it is working. So now if you want to add some good VFX, like once the character enemy is staggering, we can go to our parry attack. Actually, we should name it parry, not attack. That is bit not appropriate. We're gonna change this no, not this one. This is gameplay parry. That's gameplay ability. It's gonna be parry react. So yeah. So now, I'm gonna pull this out here, and we are gonna get. Oh no, we do have get avatar from. We can get the VFX from here. We are gonna get the actor get sorry ACT or actor location and get SPAW spawn system at location. Now we attach this to this and that to the and yeah. I mean I don't have any good VFX, but just for the sake of uh shockwave, that would look good. Yeah, I'm just trying to make sense here. So the idea is like now I have a window period of 1 second. If I'm blocking it, look, now I block. Oh, you have not seen it. Let's try again. You see? Uh, see, I have blocked it, and it's also performing the VFX. I know the VFX are a bit funny, not interesting, but unfortunately, that's all I got. But yeah, thanks for this thing, and hopefully it makes sense. Thanks for following the video. Hope you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.